The reputation for geography was very good. I was going to study here to do my degree, but I ended up doing it in Swansea. I'm glad I came here. You get 5 weeks at the start in university, then you go out on teaching prac for about 10 weeks. Then you come back now in January for 4 weeks, and then you're out on placement till June, which I think is very beneficial because I think you learn more on placement where other universities spend more time in university rather than out on placement. Settling in was fine, everyone was really friendly. All the students are in the same situation, so everyone's in the same boat. My tutor was always getting in touch with me, making sure I was okay. Any problems, I could get hold of either on email or phone, and it's a really, really friendly place to be. I loved it. It was amazing, but I got prepared for it before going out, which I thought was really good. The 5 weeks we had here did prepare me for what I was going to go into. I love it. Because I've always wanted to do it, being out there and actually doing it just makes you feel really good.
What would you say to anyone thinking of doing the PGCE?
Do it, you'll love it, it's amazing.